Welcome to Car Club. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning exterior of the 2025 Mercedes E-Class. This car isn't just a redesign, it's a redefinition of executive styling with a nod to Mercedes's legendary heritage. The first thing that grabs you is the front fascia. The iconic grille is larger and more prominent, with a black panel look that subtly blends with the LED headlights. Those headlights feature a new signature DRL pattern, giving the E-Class an unmistakable presence. Even at a glance, the subtle chrome accents add just the right amount of sophistication without going over the top. Moving along the side profile, you'll notice the proportions have evolved. The 2025 E-Class is longer and lower, with a sleeker silhouette that echoes the design language of the flagship S-Class. Flush door handles now come standard, giving the body a smooth, uninterrupted look. Character lines are clean and intentional, running from the hood to the rear quarter panels, enhancing the car's aerodynamic profile. One of the biggest changes is the rear design. The taillights are fully redesigned with a full-width LED light bar that stretches across the trunk. It's a modern take that connects the E-Class visually to Mercedes's electric EQ models. The sculpted bumper, integrated dual exhaust tips, and subtle lip spoiler tie everything together for a sporty yet elegant finish. The 2025 model sits on newly designed alloy wheels, available from 18 to 21 inches depending on the trim. Each design complements the body's curves while improving airflow and handling. Aerodynamics have clearly played a big role in this redesign, with a drag coefficient as low as 0.23. This is one of the sleekest sedans in its class. Looking back at its history, the E-Class has always balanced luxury and innovation. From the boxy elegance of the 80s to the refined curves of today, every generation has made a statement. The 2025 version carries that legacy forward with confidence and grace. Mercedes has also added new exterior colors and finishes, from classic obsidian black to the head-turning manufacturer alpine gray. There's something here for every taste. In a world of look-alike sedans, the 2025 E-Class stands apart. It's bold without being loud, elegant without trying too hard. That's the Mercedes magic, and the new E-Class wears it like a badge of honor. Thanks for watching Car Club. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if the E-Class has caught your eye.